in an industry that is highly regulated, how would you use LinkedIn to get more subsidies for your business? Interesting question, right?
Okay, that is quite hard for me to answer.
Do it in 30 seconds. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Actually, the LinkedIn per se, the objective is to spread the words around, and then to create the sentiment. So if you're in certain industries then you think something that needs to be regulated or something needs to be improvised, especially in terms of policy, this is where you make noise lah. This is where you make noise. So you say that this is it should be like this, why and how, and then you can rally the support towards that cause, and then somebody or someone will watch or will hear your noise. So that's about it. We call it people's power.
Yeah.
It doesn't, like you cannot create specific. Okay, you post one, and then we need to change this policy, and then you hope the regulators or the authorities will see your post and then will implement it. No, you just can create the sentiment by rallying up support from LinkedIn, because LinkedIn, you can know their professional background, so it carries weight. So it's not just like someone supporting you because of he is your friend or your families, but then because of his professional background, and then it carries weight and also credibility towards your cause.
Popcorn.